I didn't know that I loved you the first time that we met. I didn't know I loved you the first time that we touched, and I didn't know you the first time that we spoke. I knew I loved you when I saw your loyalty and dedication for your friends, when I saw your love for your family, when I saw you so wild and free on our first trip. I knew I loved you whenever you laughed at my bad jokes. I knew I loved you whenever you made me feel appreciated. I knew I loved you whenever I stopped listening to sad songs and started listening to love songs. And I knew I loved you whenever I'd stay up all night just to get to know you. When we met, I wasn't looking for anything, and I didn't want anyone, but when I met you, that was it. I found myself wanting to spend all my time with you. It was like we fell into each other, unable and unwilling to be pulled apart. I don't think I'm a smart man, but I am glad that I had the brains to know what I had with the time that we spent together. I promise to spend my time loving you and learning to understand you better than anyone ever could. Count on my love like you count on the sun to rise in the mornings and oxygen to fill your lungs when you breathe, always and forever.
Thank you for showing me what intentional love looks like, showing me that I am enough. Many people say in their vows that they wished for a love like this all their life. However, I can't say that because I didn't know a love like this existed. You came into my life at the exact moment that I needed you, and I'm so happy that you decided to stay. You raised a bar that wasn't your responsibility to raise, and did it selflessly without any expectations in return. You may be kicking yourself now, but you healed me and made me become the person I always wanted to be, and for that I am grateful. You are the greatest chance I have ever taken, which in turn provided me the highest reward. You are my emotional regulator, my warm hug at the end of a long day, and my laughter source. Ever since the day we met, I have had a natural draw to you. You make everyone around you feel included, heard, and understood. Our love story is my favorite story, and I never get tired of telling it to anyone that will listen. I'm so excited to be your wife, which is a title I don't take lightly.
Do you, Cole Griffin Snyder, take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife, to honor and cherish in sickness and in health till death do you part?
I do.
Do you, Heather Renee Maker, take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband, to honor and cherish in sickness and in health till death do you part?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
I vowed to protect you. I vowed to tell you that I love you every day. I vowed to listen to you.
As your wife, I vow to respect you, to honor you, to push you towards your dreams and aspirations, even if I can see the bigger picture before you can.
I vowed to ask you about your feelings. I vowed to make you feel like the main character of your story. I vowed to be a faithful husband.
I will forever be your biggest cheerleader. I promise to be faithful and supportive and to always make your happiness a priority.
I vow to be your safe space. I vow to be a loving father in the future. I vow to work towards becoming the best person and husband for you from this day forward.
I take you as my husband, understanding and accepting your strengths and weaknesses, as you do mine. We make a pretty great team. I love the man that you are now, a truly exceptional man, but I am most excited to fall in love with all the different versions of you that I have yet to meet. You will make an exceptional husband. You will make an exceptional father. You will make an exceptional life partner. I choose you today and all days going forward. Now let's do this damn thing.
Heather and I have gone through every up and down, left, right, upside down together. A few years ago in particular, Heather was going through a really heartbreaking time in her life. Didn't want to leave the house, she didn't want to do anything, and I do everything all the time. So I was like, you need to come out with me, you need to do something with me, please. My friend, he's having some people over to sit by the pool, just hang out, casual. You won't know anybody, no pressure at all, but it'll be great, I promise. So she caved, and Cole was one of those people that was at said pool party. Little did any of us know it was going to be the first night towards their forever together. It was the first night that Cole asked me where that pretty girl went whenever she stepped into another room. It was the first night that I got to see my best friend smile and laugh again. I hadn't seen her smile or laugh like that in years.
First, I just want to say congrats to you two. It's been a long time coming. I remember the first time when I met Heather. We were at Cole's old place, and I just remember he had nothing but good things to say about her. I remember the joy he had in his eyes when he would tell me about them. How excited he was. I was just so proud seeing my little baby boy so excited. You both have beautiful souls. You go together perfectly. But I truly do want to say congratulations to the both of you. Cole, I am dead ass happy for you in this moment more than I've ever been. I love you, bud.
Cole has turned into the big brother that I never had. Heather deserves the whole world and more, and I wouldn't be standing up here right now if I didn't believe that Cole was that person for her. Despite Heather frequently reminding him that I was always guaranteed to be here today and he wasn't. Cole, I'm glad that it's you that's here. Heather, I love you, and Cole, I love you, but more than that,